Hi guys, cryptocurrency market, and today I have a special one for you. I wanted to introduce to you the Metaverse. Metaverse, aka ETP, is a very interesting coin. Now, it's not a big one, right? Obviously, you can see market cap is at $86 million. It's also not a small one, right? Ranked at number 108, but it's a very promising one. And it also has a strong technical picture. Now, I've done a little bit of a research on from the fundamental point of view, so you can check out the website. You can also go scroll down a little bit and read the white paper. In a nutshell, it is a token that used to measure value of smart properties. All right, obviously you can dig much deeper than that, but it kind of made sense to me, the side of the business concept here. So I quickly moved into, into the chart, right, into the live chart. And here, it's also quite interesting. There's a very strong, solid technical picture here. Take a look at this huge trading range. Right, this huge trading range. You can track it back basically to the beginning of 2018, a little bit before that, and you can see this huge, this very wide sideways movement. And we already have a few legs in place. We have the first here, the second one all the way up to the higher section, then the third one, pretty much in line with the bearish market we have. And I think the market basically had bottomed out, right? Finishing the third leg and basically beginning the fourth leg. Now, this is the very early stages of what I believe will end up as the fourth leg, where price will reach the upper section again. Now, we have two main targets at this point. We have the 515, that's the natural C-matrix key level. Now, that represents about 300% of potential return, right? Spectacular number. But I would also suggest that according to the nature of the previous low we had here, I think price will basically crash that 5.15 and move straight to hit the previous highs, all right? Previous highs around 6.2, 6.3 represents 400% of potential return. So these are the numbers, and it can happen quite quickly, as we've seen earlier movements. This particular one was taking place in 5 or 6 days. Now, I'm not saying it's likely that we will have that here as well, but price can move quite quickly on the upside when it decides to do so. So right now we actually, after a couple of days on the downside, from a very local perspective, so it may be a good point to pick it up again. Looking at this from the long-term perspective, of course. Now, there is an important milestone we have to cross, the 2.58. So basically, I'm establishing a bullish position on the ETP, but I'm taking it slowly and gradually. The plan is to significantly increase the position only once we break out of that 258. Only once we cross that level, with the weekly close confirming that break, then that would be a good reason to load up more of ETP. Now, this one is it's trading against the US dollar, right? So I think it's a good one to diversify a crypto folio, So we'll see how it goes. At the moment, price is trading pretty low still at 1.86. So we're going to follow up on this one, and we'll keep you posted. See you in the next video.